This one is. What color is this? Alright, for my next magic, everybody gives. Everybody say happy birthday, Bella!
Happy birthday, Bella!
Wala kong balang pangat ka. What color is this? This one! How about this one? Oh, this one! Sino gusto ng payong? Bumili ka. Bumili ko lang eh. Okay kids, sa next na magic ko ito. What color is this?
Red!
This one. Wala pa, wala pa. This one. Magpapalabas na ako ng kalapate. Pero bago ako magpalabas ng kalapate, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo kung may daya or wala. Bawal magsinungaling, kids. Okay ba yun? Bawal magsinungaling, ha? Papakita ko kung may daya or wala. Sino gusto mauna? Oh, siyempre yung ating birthday girl. Bella, titignan mo kung may laman or wala. Bawal magsinungaling, okay? Bella, are you ready? Bella, may laman wala? Very good. Ate, may laman wala? May laman wala? Very good. May pakika wala? May laman wala? Oh, sino English speaking? English speaking. Si Bella, English speaking. Dati, now, Tagalog na. Dati, you speak English. Okay, dahil kanina sabi mo wala, Ate Bella, get ready for my English me. Okay, Ate Bella, English me ha, English me. Anybody home? Dati! Wala ba palakpakan dyan? Okay, magpapalabas na ako ng kalapate. Everybody say, kalapate! Lakas! Here we go guys! Everybody, please watch this. What color is this? Everybody watch! Everybody watch! Everybody say, kalapate!
Duga.
Everybody say, kalapate! Mas malakas! Ha?
Yari ka sa mga bata.
Kalapate! Okay, ito totoo na talaga, game na talaga. It's yung kalapate, sa inyo na lang yun pag sa inyo mapunta ha. Okay. Ibabalik ko siya. Anong gusto yung color ng kalapate? Okay. Rainbow na lang, rainbow. What color is this? This one? This one?
Mga lord.
Alright, all you have to do is to say magic, magic. One more time. Lumas malakas. Lumas malakas. Sino gusto ng magic? Sino gusto ng magic?
Parang
Sabi
manulog
niya
yung
magic!
bayad nila dyan eh.
Okay, sige, ganito na lang.
Sa next na gagawin ko, tatanungin ko kayo kids, kung matalino kayo, what color is this?
Yellow.
Ate Bella, what color is this?
Yellow.
How about you, Kuya Jesus?
Rainbow.
What color is this?
Gold.
No. This one is color yellow. What color is this?
Orange din ko.
No. Yellow.
Orange red.
Very good. Ate Bella, what color is this?
Yellow.
Very good naman po natin. What color is this?
Yellow.
No. Yellow.
Yellow.
Very good. How about you, Kuya? What color is this?
Yellow.
Wow. Okay. Pag tinanong ni teacher, what color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yeah, very good. How about this one?
Red.
Parang hindi naman.
What color, ate?
Red.
Mali. Ate?
Red.
Ayun! Kuya, what color is this?
Red.
Red. Tama! Ulitin ko. What color again, kuya?
Red.
Red. Okay, very good, very good. Magaling si kuya, magaling.
Hindi naman green yan eh.
For the last color, what color is this?
Blue.
Ayun. Bella, what color is this?
Light.
Blue. Mali.
Blue.
Okay, what color is this?
Red.
Red is wrong.
Blue.
Lola, what color is this? Okay, tatanungin natin, may naririnig na ako, ma'am. What color is this?
Blue.
Oh! Galing-galing niya naman color, ha? Everybody say, blue.
Blue.
What color is this?
Blue.
Okay, Lola, what color is this? Dahan-dahan lang. What color, Lola? Lola, what color is this? Oh, nakala ni Lola. Galing, ha? Galing niya na sa color, ha? Sige, dahil dyan, kids, sa last magic ko, please watch this. DJ, music.